Hi there, this is Mike Cotton. I wanted to give you an update on the product I'm creating. About a month ago, I did a Facebook Live and mentioned that I was going to kind of step out of my comfort zone and create my own product. I have always created stuff for other companies, other people, and I've never done something for myself, so I wanted to kind of step out. I've been getting into WordPress a lot, so I created a WordPress extension that will allow a network marketer. If you're not familiar with network marketing, it's where you are selling a product and you can also build a team under you that sells the same products, and you can earn commissions off of them. So the idea is you earn money off of selling products and you earn money off of building a team under you. So that's basically what it is. So it would allow a network marketer to create their own WordPress site, or if they don't have an existing WordPress site, it works with that too. And they can install this extension and basically allow their team to log in and create their own links on your site. So for instance, if you had a page that was telling you all about the business, and at the bottom of the page, there was a link that said, hey, click here for more information, and it takes you to the company website, but under your own personal URL. So a team member could take that page, add their username to the end of the page, and go to the same page, and then that link would actually go to their personal URL if they've logged in and updated their links. So that's how it works, basically. It allows team members to have their own market, kind of piggyback off of your own marketing website. So, and that's a big issue that people deal with, because when they recruit new people, they don't know how to market necessarily. They don't know what to do, how to present something well. So you can offer them a good uniform way to promote your business, and you build up your team at the same time that you're marketing your own self. So anyway, I'm going to switch over to share the browser and show you a demo of what I have so far. Now this is the first phase of what I was going to build. This is kind of the initial step that I wanted to take. Now I named it Replic8, and yes, it has an 8, and it's cheesy. The reason it has an 8 because I'm cheesy, and I'm a product of the 80s and 90s, back when everything was spelled with numbers, like boys to men. Anyway, so with that said, here is the links list. You notice I don't have any links right now. We're starting with a fresh install. I'm going to add a new link. Let me show you what a link consists of. You add a title. So I'm in a company called Melaleuca. So I'm going to put personal Melaleuca, whoops, spelled that wrong, Luca URL. So every team member has their own Melaleuca URL. So the people that sign up under me will have their own Melaleuca URL. So I want them to put that in. So this is kind of describes what you're getting. The default link is going to be my Melaleuca link. Okay, so the website owner's Melaleuca link. And then instructions on how to get a link. Hopefully it's still pasted. Yes, I copied it. And there we go. So log into Melaleuca, go to Business Center, Document Tools, and Personal Link, and then you can copy and save below. So that's instructions on how to get your link, and then they can save it in there. So I'm going to publish this. If you're familiar with WordPress, this is the same layout that any post or page has. So you should be familiar with how this works. Now I'm going to go back to all links, and now you can see we have one in here. And you also have these little codes in here. These are called short codes. If you're familiar with WordPress, you might know about short codes too. And you can use them in any page, and it will turn into either the URL or the link, which is a URL that you can click and it links to somewhere else, a hyperlink if you want to call it that. So let me show you. I'm going to go ahead and copy the link shortcode, and I'm going to actually create a new page. And I'm using Divi as a theme, so it comes installed with a Divi builder. You can use any builder and shortcodes work in it. So that's the beauty of using the shortcodes. That's why I used it. You can create your own site however you want, and it'll use it. I'm going to use the default editor, the block editor. I'm not too fond of it, actually. I don't know if y'all like the block editor, the Gutenberg, whatever you call it. You can disable it, though. So I'm going to do test link page. All right, so check out my site. All right, so I'm going to do that, center it. You can format it any way you want, and then I'm going to paste it right here. I'm going to put click here. So that's basically really it. I'm also going to add, I'll put a target. So I added target and class if you wanted to add some more. If you understand HTML, you kind of know what that is. So target blank for an anchor tag, if you're familiar with HTML. For a link, you can actually link in a new window. And that's what that will do. Target equals blank. So I think that's it. I think that's good. I'm going to publish that, and we're going to check it out. All right, so page. All right, so what we should have is, oh man, it's small, isn't it? Anyway, so check out my site, click here. So here's the link, and it should go right to my Melaleuca page. Yes, it does. All right, so that is all set up. Now, let me show you another side of this. So I'm going to open up a new, an incognito window. If you're not familiar with incognito, it's basically a way to open up a site without cookies and stuff like that. So this is like opening a brand new site. I'm going to log in as my user Ninja. I have a user on my site. Say it's a team member. He's logging in. He wants to go update his links. So I have this page right here. It's called links. And this is the admin view. But if I go, if I can put this in the menu for Ninja to see, since he's logged in, he will see this form. It shows personal Melaleuca URL, and here's the instructions that you input, and a place for him to input his own URL. So I'm going to put, I forget what it is, Melaleuca.com/ I'll put Ninja. I don't know if that exists or not. And then click Save Links. Boom, his links are updated. Now, all he has to do is, let's see, to test out, where's the test page I made? Oh, I lost it. Test links. Oh, I know what happened. Sorry about that. Test link page. That's what it's called. So here's that page again. Since I'm logged in as admin, I'm seeing the admin link. But if Ninja goes in, since he's logged in, goes into the same page, he can test this out. And he will be sent to Melaleuca.com/Ninja, which evidently does not exist. So Ninja does not exist, but that is the URL I put in. But he's logged in, so that's what you will see. You can check the entire site. All the links that you put in there will be coded to the person if that link exists. So let's go. Let's see. Let's log out. Oh, wait. Actually, let me copy this test link page. Now we're going to test it out as if I log out. Come on. Go to this. My site's a little slow today. All right, so we're back at the test link page. I go here. It's the Mike Cotton link. It's the admin link. So you saw that's the default link because I'm not logged in as Ninja anymore. Now, if I add at the end of the URL, I'm going to add Ninja. That's his username. And push enter. All right, and this is a person that's not logged in, just visiting the site. Ninja sent him this link. All right, it redirects to the original page. But now the link changes to Ninja's link. And everything this person clicks on, because he is cookied, he or she, the visitor of the website, is cookied to Ninja. And every time they come to the site for the next, I think it's 90 days, for the next 90 days, you will see Ninja's links, basically. So Ninja kind of owns that person for the next 90 days. And if they decide to click on to Melaleuca, say for instance, and join the business, they join under Ninja. If they were to come to the site without being linked from anybody and not cookied, they would join under me as the admin. So that's how a replicatable site works. And it's the most simple way I could think to set it up. Let me show you what the actual test link looks like. I'm sorry, not the test link page, the actual links page. So let me go back to all pages. I don't have many, I don't think. Links. So this is the links page. So as an admin, you would set this page up for your users, your teammates to, and this is it right here. Here's this replicate link form. That's the short code for it. So, and that's all. That's all the person needs to fill out their own links. Anyway, that's really it. That's the whole demo. So hopefully that made sense to you. If you have a team of people that are marketing the same exact way that you are marketing on your site, you can let them use your own website and set them up to succeed in your business the way you succeed. So so they can have their own links and all that. So I remember back when I started in network marketing, the very first company that I really succeeded at had a replicatable site. And if that person is watching this video, they remember that site. I actually helped do a little programming within that site when I started. But it helped everybody, and the whole team was using the same site and marketing the same way. Anytime the leader would update the site, then the other team would have the same pages, have the same links and all that. So it's just a great way to set up a replicatable site and have your team succeed. So that is all I have to show you. If you have any comments, questions, anything like that, go ahead and comment, and I will get back to you. If you have some features, oh yeah, I can talk about features I'm going to add in the future. Also thought about doing the same thing for like videos. So this is links, videos, images, so people can input their own images, upload their own images to the site and show them instead of the admin's images. And all this is basically, the admin is the one that puts the links in. So they're the ones that allow the information to be changed. If you don't want an image to be changed, don't use the extension for that. If you don't want a video to be changed, don't use the extension for it. But if you want to allow your team to kind of personalize a page, then this extension will be what that is for. And also we can do like text blurbs, so maybe like a bio or something like that. So that's stuff I'm thinking about doing in the future as well. Also opt-in forms. That one is going to be a big project that I want to do, especially because a lot of third-party providers are used for that. So there's some big names like MailChimp, there's Aweber, Constant Contact, there's one other one, and for some reason I can't remember what the name of it is. So there are third-party providers that have APIs that I want to be able to use. If you don't know what an API is, don't worry about it. That's just for me, a developer, to know about. But basically allows somebody to click something on one page, and all the info is sent in the back end, in the background, to the mailing list provider to input them into a mailing list. So I have big ideas for that. And if we can set that up, then your team can use one mailing provider like Aweber, and the form could be personalized, basically, for each team member to go to their own list. So big ideas. If you have any ideas for maybe what could be in the future on this product or something similar to this, let me know. And I like ideas. But this is what I got to start with. I hope you liked it. I hope it would bring value to you and your business. I'm gonna actually be this first phase. I'm gonna put a little more things into it, but the first phase I'm going to put out for free as a WordPress extension for free. That way, it's a great way to promote myself, my extension business. I also came up with a business name and a website. I'm building a website for it, so it's not going to be codingmusician.com. This is my personal blog. Anyway, so I'm going to build this out and get it up there. I'll be coming back with another update video in the future when I have more to say. I think I've said enough today on this demo. Hope you liked it. Talk to y'all soon.